Hello and welcome to this A2 Elementary Lesson 31 with me, Kate. Today we will be looking at the past simple negative forms. Okay, first of all, can you give me the past simple of these verbs? Sleep, slept, fall in love, fell in love, follow, followed, give, gave, create, created, find, found, drink, drank. Okay, which of these verbs are regular verbs? Created, followed. These are regular verbs. Which verbs are irregular? Slept, found, gave, drank, and fell in love. Okay, let's get started. Let's have a little look at this picture. Listen and follow. Dracula was a vampire who lived in a castle in Poland. He always slept during the day, but at night he became a vampire and drank vodka. There are two mistakes in this paragraph. What are the errors? What are the mistakes? That's right, he didn't live in a castle in Poland and he didn't drink vodka. We make the past simple negative with didn't, did not together, didn't, plus the verb. So let's look here. We have he lived in Poland. He didn't live in Poland. We have he drank vodka. He didn't drink vodka. Let's try another one. Alice followed a white cat down a hole and had lots of adventures. What's the error? Alice didn't follow a white cat down a hole. She followed a white rabbit. Let's try another one. Robin Hood lived in a forest in China. He took money from rich people and gave it to his girlfriend, Maid Marian. What are the errors? Can you correct them? Robin Hood didn't live in China. He lived in England. He didn't give money to his girlfriend. He gave it to the poor. Well done. Let's try another one. Dr. Frankenstein created a monster. The monster was very handsome and people loved it. What's the error? Can you correct it? The monster wasn't very handsome. He was ugly. People didn't love it. They were frightened of it. And the last one. Romeo and Juliet were 40 years old. Their families hated each other, but Romeo and Juliet fell in love and got married. Their families were very pleased and Romeo and Juliet lived happily together. What are the errors and can you correct them? Romeo and Juliet weren't 40 years old, they were 14. Their families weren't very pleased, they were angry. They didn't live happily ever after, they killed themselves. Okay, well done for today. Can you make 3 negative sentences about a famous story or a film character? Use didn't plus verb in your answers. Please don't forget to subscribe and show your support, and coming next in lesson 32 we will be looking at past simple questions. Thanks very much. Have a great day. Goodbye.